I hope all of you are well. Welcome to class 7th. Today we are going to start chapter 2, that is number system. As we know, computer is an electronic device. It stores data, instructions and other information in coded form. For example, when we enter any character through keyboard, then it converts it into its own language, binary language, which is understood by the computer system. Generally, a computer system deals with the following number system: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Now, let us discuss about decimal number system. A decimal number system uses all the digits from 0 to 9. These are the numbers used by all of us in daily life. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. For example, 3, 4, 2, 5, base 10. Here 3425 is a number and 10 is the base, where each digit has its absolute value. Like this is units digit, tens digit, hundreds digit and thousands digit. Now next is binary number system. Binary number system deals with zeros and ones. So all binary numbers are made up of only zeros and ones, where 2 is the base of binary system. For example, 1, 1, 0, 1, base 2. Here this is the base and this is called binary number. Now an octal number system. An octal number system uses all the digits from 0 to 7. That is, 8 different digits are used and the numbers are formed with the help of these digits. An octal number is represented with 8 as the base of the number. For example, 3047, base 8. Here 8 is the base and this is the number. Now next is hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, we use digits from 0 to 15. Here all these digits are not available in decimal number system. In decimal number system, only 10 digits are present, that is from 0 to 9. In a hexadecimal number system, the digits from 10 to 15 are represented by A to F. Means for 10 we use A, 11, B, 12, C, 13, D, 14, E, 15, F. For example, AB6, base 16. Here 16 is the base of the number and this AB6 is the number. The base of a hexadecimal number system is 16 as it uses 16 digits. Now we will learn conversion of decimal number to binary number. For example, if we want to convert 25 base 10 to base 2, then how to do? First of all, we write the number and we divide this number 25 by 2. Why? Because the base of binary number is 2. Now, after division, we write the quotient down and remainder on the right hand side. When we divide 25 by 2, then as a quotient we get 12 and remainder is 1. Again we divide this 12, that is the quotient we got in first step, by 2. When we divide 12 by 2, then we get quotient as 6 and remainder is 0. So we write the remainder on the right hand side. Again we divide this 6 by 2. 2 3 is a 6. Then remainder is 0. We write the remainder on the right hand side. Again we divide this 3 by 2. Then as a quotient we get 1 and remainder is also 1. Further we divide this 1 by 2. 2 zeros are 0 and remainder is 1. Next we draw a line from bottom to top. This is called most significant bit and this is least significant bit. This is least significant bit, means this digit, this bit has the highest or greatest place value and this one has the lowest place value. Now how to write the number? 25 base 10 is equal to, we start from MSB 1 1 0 0 1. So here as a result we get 1 1 0 0 1 base 2. So this is our answer. Now let's see the next example. Another example, 48 base 10 to base 2. How to convert this 48 in binary number? Let's see the process. We divide this 48 by 2. As a quotient, we get 24 and remainder 0. When we divide this 48 by 2, then we get 24 as quotient and remainder 0. That we write on the right hand side. Further, we divide this quotient by 2. 2 12s are 24 and remainder is 0. Again, we divide this 12 by 2. 2 6s are 12 and remainder is 0. Now we divide this 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6 and remainder is 0. That we write on the right hand side. Again we divide the number 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 and remainder is 1. We divide the quotient till it becomes 0. Here it is 1. Again we divide this 1 by 2. 2 zeros are 0 and remainder is 1. Now we can see quotient has become 0. Means we have to stop the process here. Now we draw the line. We write MSB and LSB. This one is the most significant bit and this is least significant bit. Now how to write the answer? Therefore 48 base 10, we start writing the digits or bits from MSB. 1 1 0 0 0 0. So as a result we get 1 1 0 0 0 0 base 2. So this is the equivalent binary number of decimal number 48. Now we'll learn conversion of binary number to decimal number. For example, if you want to convert the binary number 1101 to its equivalent decimal, so how to do? Now first we'll write these binary digits 1 1 0 1. Then we'll write their place values of each digits. How to write? First place value we use as 2 raised to the power 0. Then next place value is 2 raised to the power 1. Next 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 3. So this is the place value of this digit and this is the place value of this one, place value of this one, place value of this one. Right? Now any number raised to the power 0 means 1 is equal to 1 as we know. So here also 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 raised to the power 1 means 2. 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. Now we multiply each binary digit by its place value. Each binary digit by its place value. See, 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Now write the product. 1 into 8, 8 plus 1 into 4, 4 plus 0 into 2, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. Finally, we add all these numbers. As a result, we get 13. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. So, this is the required decimal number. Now, let's see another example, one more example to convert from binary to decimal. First, we will write all these digits 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then, we write their place values. The place value of the first digit, we start from the right hand side. We write the right from right hand side. First place value is 2 raised to the power 0. Second, 2 raised to the power 1. 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 4. Now, we'll write the values of these. 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, because any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 is multiplied 4 times. Means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16. Now, we multiply each digit by its place value. 1 into 16 plus next digit 0 into 8, 0 into 8 plus 1 into 4, 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2, 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Now we multiply these and we get 1 into 16, 16 plus 0 into 8, 0 plus 1 into 4, 4 plus 0 into 2, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. Finally, we add all these numbers. As a result, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1, 21. So, we get 21 base 10 as a result. I hope all of you understood. Now some questions are here to try yourself. Thank you, students.